Assalamu alaikum. Dear students of class 9-10, how are you? I hope that you are well. I am also fine. I am Sheikh Imri Munirul Islam, Senior Teacher, GOP Shurpkati Pilot Model Secondary School. Take my heartiest congratulations, love and affection. You know that now we are passing a very critical moment. Human beings are fighting globally against the pandemic COVID-19. It has created an unprecedented and unthinkable situation which is really deplorable. So, we have to take preventive measures against the COVID-19 to prevent the disease. Due to coronavirus, you have to remain isolated from the school and from the teachers. So, you are lagging behind, but you have to go through your textbooks, you have to go on with your studies if you want to do well in the examination. As part of your convenience, online classes and writing assignments are introduced to you. Dear students, welcome to my online class. Now take your textbook and find out unit 5 lesson 1 and find out the topic. You know that Bangladesh is a riverine country. Our economy depends on agriculture, and our agriculture depends largely on the rivers. The rivers play an important role in our life and economy, but sometimes they become very greedy and violent. But sometimes the rivers become very greedy and violent and causes a great harm, great havoc to our life and properties. So, the rivers are very important to us, but sometimes they causes a great havoc, great harm to our life and properties. So, our today's lesson is the greed of the mighty rivers. So, our today's lesson is the greed of the mighty rivers. The greed of the mighty rivers. In this passage, you may have some difficult words. So, you have to understand the meaning of some important words. You have to understand the meaning of some important words. The meaning of important words: roofed. Roofed, that is covered with a roof. Covered with a roof. Covered with a roof. Next word, tremble. Tremble, that is shake. Shake or shiver. Tremble. Remind. Remind, the word remind, that is recall or retain. Erosion. Erosion, that is decay. Monsoon. Monsoon, that is a seasonal wind in South Asia. A seasonal wind in South Asia. A seasonal wind in South Asia that brings heavy rain, and that brings heavy rain. Next word, shatter. Next word, shatter. S-H-A-T-T, shatter. Shatter, that means ruin or disrupt. Ruin or disrupt. Prompt. Next word, prompt. Prompt, that is immediate. Immediate. And then adapt. Adapt, that is adjust. Dear students, in this way, you have to understand, you have to know the real meanings of the sentences. And if you can understand the meaning of the sentences, or you can enrich your vocabulary, then it will be very easy for you to understand the passage and to answer any question from the passage. So, you may have some difficult words and you should try to understand it, and you should look up the words in dictionary or any other sources. You can take the help to understand the passage. Now, dear students, after knowing these words, you should go through the text. You should go through the text and read the text carefully and attentively, so that you can understand it, you can get a clear conception of the passage. And after reading the passage, I will ask you some questions and you will give appropriate answers. So, dear students, you should read out the passage silently. After it, I will ask you some simple questions. Question number 1. What does Meherzan use to make fire? In the passage, we have learned about Meherzan. Meherzan is a very hopeless person. She has lost everything, her family and her family members, due to river erosion. So, in this passage, I can ask you a question. What does Meherzan use to make fire? The answer should be Meherzan uses fallen leaves or straw to make fire. Next question. What do you know about Meherzan's family? What do you know about Meherzan's family? Yes, we can say that in this way. We can say that once upon a time, Meherzan had a happy family, but she lost her husband and her family due to diseases and river erosion. What do you mean by mighty rivers? Mighty rivers, that means the rivers that have huge volumes of waters and very strong current. The river that have very, huge volumes of waters and very strong current, that is called mighty rivers. So, dear students, in this way, you can ask and answer the questions. Now, try to understand the meaning of the passage, that is fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps, you should use the appropriate words. Question number 1. Meherzan is a typical dash woman. Meherzan is a typical homeless woman. Homeless. The woman who lost her home, that is homeless woman. She lost her shelter and properties due to dash. She lost her shelter and properties due to river erosion. Next question. Now she is only a dash. Answer. The answer should be slum dweller. Now she is only a slum dweller. And the next sentence, next question. Each year about dash people become homeless. Each year about 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion. So, in short, we can say that the number of roadless people is gradually increasing in our country due to river erosion. So the government and the people of all classes come forward to work unitedly so that river erosion can be controlled in some extent. Now, after finishing the passage, I will give you homework. What can we do to control the forces of nature? What can we do to control the forces of nature? Dear students, you should try to answer the question to make some positive aspects so that we can control the forces of nature. You should give your own opinion in answering the question. So, dear students, I have to conclude here. We pray to the Almighty Allah to save us from the pandemic. We will meet you again with our next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.